Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Monday. I am here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. So today is Monday. We have a 3-layer cake. First layer, all of our routines. Second layer, our basic weekly plan. Today is weekly home blessing hour. Yes, indeed. And the third thing is our zone. We are in zone 4, the master bedroom, which may include the master bathroom if you have one, and your master closet. So let's get started. It's morning. We've gotten up before the family. We're going to do our morning routine. Quickly, you're going to get in there and get yourself dressed and take care of your face and your skin. You're going to take care of your sink and your toilet, your kitchen, and then you're going to be ready to help the children. So get them up and put them through their morning routine if they're little, or inspect what you expect if they're older. Okay, next thing we're going to do is let's get right on the weekly home blessing hour. I recommend delegation. You have 6 jobs. At least 3 of them can be done by children younger than 9 years old, and the other 3 can be done by children 9 or older. So those 3 are stripping their beds and washing their sheets, mopping, or vacuuming. Those are 9 or older. They have the body strength and they have the fine motor skills and the major motor skills to do that, and they have the mind to do that. So if they're younger, they can empty the garbage, they can wipe spots off of glass, they can dust. Yes, they can. All right, with your guidance, of course. Okay, so those are the 6 things in the weekly home blessing hour. Strip your bed. Start. That should be a blooper, but I'm leaving it in. Strip your bed. Put your sheets in the washing machine. Turn it on. Let the machine do the work. Listen for it. Put it in the dryer. Listen for it. Go put it back on your bed later today. Okay, so that's one. Second thing. Let's do the glass. So you can delegate it or do it yourself. Remember that it's wiping spots off of the glass only. You are not wiping the whole thing down. We are not deep cleaning. We are blessing our home. Third is dusting. Remember, you don't move anything. You just dust around. You've got less than 10 minutes to do the whole house and you can do it. The fourth thing is emptying all the little garbage cans in the house. Grab up the liners. If you don't line your garbage, I recommend you do. If you can't afford to buy liners at the grocery store, simply use the grocery store garbage bags and line them. I've done it for years. It works great. I'm a frugal person. All right, and then the last thing, no, that's 4. So that's bed and those 3 things. And then the fifth thing is let's get the house, the floors cleaned. So we're going to either dust mop or vacuum, depending on if it's carpet or hard surface. We are not steam cleaning the floors. We are not steam cleaning the carpets. We're just getting the traffic patterns, getting the dust and things that you can see off the hard surfaces. All right, 10 minutes or less. Once that's done, we're going to mop the kitchen, only the traffic patterns if it's big, and then get the whole bathroom. That's it. You're done. When you're done, you will have a nice, beautiful glow about you, and your house will look great. Okay, recommending delegating though, I'm totally recommending that because teaching your children to do this will be a blessing to you and a blessing to them. All right, and then the last thing is let's work in the master bedroom. This is your beautiful place to have alone. This is your alone time room. This is not for kids to hang out in. You can make that call if you want, but my opinion, that is my private domain, and that's where I get to go. That is the one place that I can call mine. All right, you don't hang out in your kids' rooms too much. You do with them, but you don't just go in your kids' room when they're not in there, and I would say they wouldn't go in your room when you're not in there. All right, let's make it look beautiful. Let's do some deep cleaning. Now, if you still have clutter in this room, I want you to really start clutter checking yourself to keep it from recluttering so that you're not fighting an endless tide of clutter, right? So if you have to declutter, give yourself 15 minutes on the timer and get in there with 3 containers, 1 for throwaway, 1 for giveaway, 1 for put away. Start in a corner and work your way around the room. When your timer is off, 15 minutes says ding, you stop wherever you are and then complete the process by throwing away what's in the throwaway box, putting away the things in the put away box. If they don't have a home, then maybe you don't need those things. You don't care enough about them to give them a home, or find a home for them and maybe display something that's just hiding in this thing's home. It doesn't really need to be there. Does that make sense? And then the last thing is give away. Take those things to your trunk. Get them out of your home so they don't assimilate into the decor or the clutter, as the case may be. All right, if you don't have to declutter, then you have the pleasure of cleaning your bedroom, which is so easy. You've already done your weekly home blessing, so the floor's been vacuumed and everything's been dusted, and the mirrors and everything are shiny, right? They look good. So what you're going to do is deep clean something. So think about 4 things you want to do in this room this week, and then write them in your on your to-do list, and then go put them in your planner. 1 thing a day for 4 days. Don't forget to skip Tuesday, and don't do it on Saturday and Sunday. Now, if you're a working fly baby, I'm going to get to you next, but this is for our at-home fly babies doing their job at home. So next thing we're going to do is do those 4 things, 1 a day for 10 minutes or less. Now, if the item that you picked only takes you 2 or 3 minutes, you might want to do 2 little things that day. And then you might have, that would give you 5 things to do, for example. So, but think about the things you want to do. Have you turned your mattress lately? Or does it just need to be twisted around? Some of them are not flippy kind. Mine won't flip, so you have to just turn it. So that's a thing to do. Cleaning under the bed is a thing to do. Straightening your side table drawers or your dresser drawers is a thing to do. Cleaning out your closet, making sure you have summer clothes in there now and the winter things are put away. Maybe changing out your shoes and accessories. Those are things to do. How about your bathroom? Have you scrubbed your tub in the last month? Maybe it's time to give it a good scrub. I know you're wiping it out or wiping down the shower stall, but maybe a good scrub will be in line. I do that every month. I do. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do today. The rest of the day, you're simply going to do your laundry, your paper routine, your after dinner routine, and then the before bed routine, which I'm going to get to, but let me handle the fly babies who are payroll. So payroll fly babies, your job today is to do your morning routine and the kids' routines with them if they're little, then go to work. When you are at work, I want you to think about the weekly home blessing hour and how you're going to handle that. Are you going to do 1 of the 6 things a day, maybe your sheets on the weekend, and then 1 a day on the other things, 10 minutes or less when you get home? Or can you delegate that thing? If you have a 9-year-old at home or older, you can totally delegate all 6 of the 6th job for them will be stripping their own bed. But yes, you can delegate those things. So think about what you're going to delegate and how you're going to delegate them, and then make sure that you call to remind them and that you check up on it when you get home, okay? If you choose not to delegate or have no one to delegate to, then when you get home, you're going to start supper, start your laundry, go through an inch of paper. While supper is holding, after it's made, or while it's simmering or cooking, you're going to go into your bedroom and work for 10 minutes or 15 if you have to declutter, but 10 minutes or less, and then you're going to do 1 of your weekly home blessing hour things. So that could be a maximum of 20 minutes. Ooh, 20 minutes. So 20 to 25 minutes. If you have to declutter, it's going to be 25 minutes plus put away time. So your dinner can hold for a half hour. You've done it many times before, just being on the phone. So you can do this. And then after dinner, everyone's going to join in and do the after dinner routine. And now we're going to talk about the before bed routine. Our focus for summer is before bed routine. So you're going to get the children through their before bed routine. If you have an extreme, if you're extremely tired, I can't think of what I was going to say, but if you're very tired, then you might want to do yours first. If not, take care of the kids. But yours is this. Check your planner. Get your clothes for tomorrow. See about your meal for tomorrow. Any appointments that you have for tomorrow. Take the long view of the week. What else is going on? All right? Now go lay out your clothes for tomorrow and then run your tub or get your shower going, or maybe you take that in the morning. I recommend in the evening, just me personally. It helps me sleep better. It de-stresses me at the end of the day. Is that a word, de-stress? You're going to take off your makeup, or if you don't wear makeup, at least wash your face, because the debris from the day is on your skin. So wash your face, brush your teeth, don't forget to floss, dress for bed, put your clothes away. Are they clean? Hang them up and let them air. Are they dirty? Put them in the dirty clothes. Does it just have a spot? Wash the little spot and let it hang up to dry. Next thing we're going to do is make sure our towels are all hanging up nicely so the bathroom looks nice when you wake up in the morning. Then you're going to go to the kitchen. If it's time, you're going to shut all your curtains and drapes and blinds, and then you're going to start your dishwasher, put the last few items in, and Just check to make sure your sink has been wiped out, you've changed your towel, and that's it. So when you wake up in the morning, you got a clean bathroom, a clean you, a clean kitchen. All right? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.